Hello and welcome to Elemental Hardware Enrichment. In today's video, we'll be showcasing our lap desk and one of our smaller tools, the Dewalt Cut-Off Tool. It is true that sometimes big things come in small packages, and this tool is just that. Don't let the size of this tool fool you. It cuts a lot of things in our company.
Our lap desk is the perfect project for those of you that want to learn a little bit about building items like chairs, tables, and items that can fold to a compact design. The lap desk can be used for a lot of things like holding a laptop to being used as a picnic table. It is very sturdy and easily folds, so it can be taken anywhere or doesn't take up much room when storing.
My name is Shalen, and I'm a team member here at Elemental Hardware Enrichment. Join me in today's video as we inspire that craftsman in you.
Lap desks have ancient origins and can be traced back to civilizations like that of ancient Egypt, where scribes often used portable writing surfaces on their laps. These early versions were likely simple boards or surfaces that could easily be transported. Lap desks evolved across historical civilizations and time, but they gained popularity during the American Civil War in the 1860s. Soldiers used lap desks to write letters home, and these portable writing surfaces became practical tools for those on the move. Lap desks are versatile and can be used for various activities beyond writing, such as reading, drawing, eating, and using electronic devices. They provide a convenient and comfortable surface for individuals to work or engage in leisure activities while sitting in a chair or on a bed. Our kits include every part and the hardware you need to create the finished lap desk project you see here. The build requires a hammer, sandpaper, and wood glue. The design and custom painting, however, is all up to your creativity, allowing you to make it truly your own. Like the other videos in this series, the focus will not be on the step-by-step process of building a lap desk. However, for those interested in the build, a QR code is provided here or links are available in the video description to learn more.
As we do in other videos, I'll be covering the basic parts of the cutoff tool and how we use it in our company. I will not be covering everything the cutoff tool has to offer from the factory, and if you are interested in learning more, we've included a link to the company's page in the description below.
The Dewalt cutout tool can be used on multiple materials. Depending on what blades you use, you can cut metal, tiles, cement board, stone, plastic, and wood, to name a few things. It has a 20-volt max brushless motor with a no-load speed of 20,000 RPM and also the capability of running in both forward and reverse blade directions. Being able to change direction during cuts helps with spark direction when cutting on metals. It has a trigger lock which allows you to lock your trigger so the blade does not spin in case of accidental trigger activation. This button is also used as a selector for both the forward and reverse direction selections. The battery is compatible with other Dewalt products, has a dust shroud for easy connection to extractors, and has the capabilities to connect to a Site Manager app. The blades we use are designed for the type of material we cut. The size of the blade, the kerf, and the type of blade are important when cutting wood. When picking out a tool like this, it is important to pick one that fits your needs. For us, the speed, motor, handle, and battery life are important factors due to us using the tool constantly throughout the day. The start of the production process begins with the CNC. The CNC cuts legs A, leg B, long frame, and the top. Because of the drill holes, dados, and different angles and radiuses, this is the most efficient machine to use to create the parts. The carpenters will cut the dowels and the short frame for the lap desk. Because of the tabs on the parts cut from the CNC, our production team members use the cutoff tool to remove the parts from the sheet. After the parts are removed from the sheets, they are then flush cut on the routers. The top is the only part that will get a round over on both sides. From the routing station, they are then sent to the QC department where the parts are inspected for any dimension issues or faults in the pieces, ensuring that you get the best quality for your project. The parts are also labeled at this time if it requires them to be labeled. From the QC department, the parts are then sent to packaging where they are counted, packaged, and sent to you with care. There are many other steps involved in the process other than what is mentioned here, like purchasing, delivery, and innovation that are not talked about in these videos. Each team member here plays a key role to ensure that your project is delivered with pride and care. When using the cutoff tool, it is important to always wear safety glasses with no exception. Even though there is somewhat of a guard on the top side of the blade, the bottom part is still open. Sparks and debris are easily thrown from the blade while cutting. The standard PPE equipment that we use are ear protection due to high-pitched noises, dust masks, and gloves. Using a good blade is important for not only cutting but safety as well. A damaged grinding blade can break off while cutting, and a dull blade can damage material and cause unnecessary debris. And overall, a good blade gives you a proper cut. Make sure you have a safe work environment and area clean of any trip hazards, and when cutting anything that causes sparks, be sure to check the area for any flammable material and chemicals. No matter how small it seems, remove it from the workspace before cutting. We hope you enjoyed watching and learning about our process in the cutoff tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.